Hi, this is Casey Atkinson from Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to save money on gas. Gas prices keep going up. It's a good habit to get into. Now, first of all, your car plays has a huge effect on your gas mileage. For example, is your car a stick shift? Stick shifts get better gas mileage. I mean, is it a gas guzzler? Is it run off natural gas? Obviously, lighter cars, smaller cars get better gas mileage usually. Now, to save money while driving, when you're stopped at a stoplight and you want to start going, don't just gun it. Don't slam on the gas. It just ruins your gas like crazy. You know, stop showing off to girls. Just speed up gradually. You'll save a lot of money that way. Another way to save money on gas is to plan out your trips before you actually go into town, for example. Don't make a lot of trips if you don't have to. Just save your money, plan out your trips, go the shortest way possible. Watch out for stop-and-go traffic. That's really hard on your car, and your gas mileage gets a lot worse when you're in stop-and-go. Okay, another tip is don't go too fast. If you speed, you're obviously going to lose gas mileage. So just slow down, take it easy.